Come back with me, Helmiana Octaviana. I am an undergraduate student in nursing at the Catholic University of Indonesia, Santo Paruteng. In today to video in we'll read a text about the sing and system that translate into the Indonesia. Sing and system are the tool for making a diagnosis, but what is the difference between the two? The signs of an illness are the things that a doctor or nurse can see and measure. Singing are things like sponge and bleeding. Temperature, heart rate, blood pressure, and respiration rate are all things because you can measure them. Symptoms are the things which a patient experiences, but others can always see. Dizziness and nausea are explained of symptoms. The symptoms read make a patient seek medical help in the first place are called the presenting symptom. Medics describe them in terms of being either strong, mild, or weak. Sometimes the symptoms of serious illness like cancer and diabetes are weak. They stay weak for a long time. The illness remains undiagnosed. Many illnesses have the same symptom. The symptoms are scaled, not specific. Fatigue is an explained of this. It is a system of many kinds of illness, both chronic and acute, of both physical and mental disorder. Doctor ask patients about the onset of the symptom, what they feel like, what refuse them, the what make them worse. The more the time they have, the faster they can make a diagnosis. The translate of the text is, tanda dan gejala merupakan sebuah alat panduan untuk membuat diagnosa. Tetapi apakah perbedaan di antara keduanya? Tanda suatu penyakit adalah hal yang dapat dilihat dan diukur oleh dokter ataupun perawat. Tanda-tandanya seperti bercak dan pendarahan. Suhu, detak jantung, tekanan darah, dan pernapasan adalah tanda-tanda yang dapat diukur. Gejala adalah hal-hal yang dimiliki oleh pasien tetapi orang lain tidak melihatnya. Pusing dan mual adalah contoh gejalanya. Gejala yang membuat pasien mencari pertolongan medis pada awalnya disebut gejala yang muncul. Petugas medis menggambarkannya dalam istilah kuat, ringan, atau lemah. Terkadang gejala penyakit serius seperti kanker dan diabetes itu adalah lemah. Mereka tetap lemah untuk waktu yang lama dan penyakitnya tetap tidak terdiagnosis. Banyak penyakit memiliki gejala yang sama. Gejala ini disebut non-spesifik. Kelelahan adalah salah satu contohnya. Ini adalah gejala dari berbagai jenis penyakit, baik kronis maupun akut, dan gangguan fisik maupun mental. Dokter bertanya kepada pasien tentang timbulnya gejala. Seperti apa gejala itu, apa yang meredakannya, dan apa yang dapat membuatnya semakin parah. Semakin banyak detail yang mereka miliki, semakin cepat mereka dapat membuat diagnosis. Now, I will translate some of the vocabulary contained in the text into Indonesia. Number 1. Diarrhea in the meaning of Indonesia is diarrhea. Number 2. Sports, the meaning of Indonesia is bintik. Next. Numberness, the meaning of Indonesia is mati rasa. Fever, the meaning of Indonesia is demam. Swelling, the meaning of Indonesia is bengkak. Nausea, the meaning of Indonesia is mual. Dizziness, the meaning of Indonesia is pusing. Symptoms, the meaning of Indonesia is gejala. Singing, the meaning of Indonesia tanda. Strong, the meaning of Indonesia is kuat. Mild, the meaning of Indonesia is ringan. Weak, the meaning of Indonesia is lemah. Mental, the meaning of Indonesia is mental. Disorder, the meaning of Indonesia is gangguan. Illness, the meaning of Indonesia is penyakit. Finally, I will read the report again. System report. Patient, 20-year young woman. Admit to hospital, Saturday the 2nd of March at 20 o'clock. Presenting system, joint pain, muscle pain, burning of tingling sensation in any part of the body, sharp pain like being pricked. Diagnosis, pain. Follow up, Sunday 9 o'clock, no symptom, vital sign normal. 35 past 15. Discard gate. That's all the video I made. Thank you.